Hi, welcome back to our tutorial on Angular. In this video, we will see the theory part of the directives. We will see the examples in the next video. The words on the screen are the basic directive keywords. Directive is all about DOM, at directive decorator, behavior of the elements. In this video, you will see what is Angular and its types. Let's get started. What is directive? First, directive is a simple TypeScript class. It contains the instructions or implementations in DOM. These instructions are used to tell the Angular compiler how the components should be placed and how it should behave. In simple terms, whenever Angular finds the directive, then it will execute the functions and make changes in the DOM. Directives are declared with a directive decorator pattern. Here the directive has the functions, which is used to add configuration and informs Angular how to work. We have 4 types of directives in Angular. They are component directives, structural directives, attribute directives, and custom directives. We will see one by one. First, we will start with component directive. Right from the scratch, we are using the component directives. As this is a directive, it extends the directive decorator. This is a most used centralized directive in Angular. As we all know, whenever new application is created, app root component will be generated. If you check in the app component file, you can see the component directive. This component directive informs Angular what to be loaded, and how it should appear and behave. In our component directive, we have few parameters like selector, template URL, style URL. We have explained them in detail in the earlier videos, while discussing Angular files and structures. Please see the video, if you require information on these parameters. Next we will see about structural directives. Structural directives are used to add, remove, and manipulate the DOM elements. They are very much useful in structuring the DOM. In Angular, an element can have only one structural directive. We always use asterisk with the structural directives. Most commonly used structural directives are ngIf, ngFor, ngSwitch. These ng directives will insert the ng templates, and in turn the ng template will render the HTML in Angular. About ng templates and ng directives, we will see in the upcoming videos along with the structural directives. Now we will see the next type, attribute directives. Attribute directives are used to change the behavior or the appearance of the DOM, component, or other directives. As the name indicates, these directives are used as an attribute. They resemble our normal HTML attributes, but while rendering they would behave as per the directives. For example, ngModel, this is given as an attribute, but they have specific behavior of managing the two-way binding. We will see about the attribute directives with examples in the upcoming videos. Finally, we have custom attributes. Custom attributes are the one which the developer creates. Directive decorator is used to create the custom attributes. The class which extends the directive will have the selector parameter, similar to our component directive, which will be used to define the attribute. Once the class is created, then the attribute which we have created in the class will be inserted in the HTML element. So when Angular sees the attribute, it will execute the function, and will make it behave as we defined. We will see more examples one by one in the upcoming videos. Please like, comment, and post your doubts below. Also subscribe our channel to get more videos. We will see about the structural directives in the next video. Till then, bye.